The Senate plans to meet once again today on the future of artificial intelligence technology. There are a lot of questions about its security, and yesterday's hearing led to a discussion of how powerful and even dangerous this technology could be.
Artificial intelligence has the potential to improve nearly every aspect of our lives, but also that it creates serious risks we have to work together to manage.
There are huge implications for national security. I will tell you, as a member of the Armed Services Committee, classified briefings on this issue have abounded.
We cannot afford to be as late to responsibly regulating generative AI as we have been to social media, because the consequences, both positive and negative, will exceed those of social media by orders of magnitude.
Should we be worried about this for our elections?
It's one of my areas of greatest concern.
Well, according to a recent survey by Pew Research Center, 27% of Americans say they already interact with AI at least several times a day, and one of those being ChatGPT. We've done lots of stories on that. So what do people need to keep in mind, and what's expected to happen with these congressional meetings? Joining us this morning is an AI expert and founder of Katie Charleston Law, Katie Charleston. Katie, good morning. Thanks for joining us here on Good Morning Arizona. Let's go ahead and talk about the elections. A lot of people seem to be concerned about that coming into 2024. Possible misinformation swaying people. What do you think about that?
Absolutely. I think there are grounds to be concerned, especially when we've got Samuel Altman, CEO of ChatGPT, here asserting his own concerns. We need to be cognizant of what the potential impacts here could be in things like elections and protectable assets and exposing classified information.
One of the things they've been saying in these hearings is that the government didn't have enough oversight of social media, so they want to be a little faster onto AI. Do you think that the government needs to have an agency that oversees this?
Absolutely. There should be some regulation here. And I think there was a great start of the discussion yesterday by Mr. Altman, who asserted a potential licensing, testing, and auditing program, which could be used in conjunction with independent auditors to make sure that there are no biases in play related to the government or the corporations.
Obviously, there's benefits both for and against AI. In fact, somebody in Washington said this could be the end of humanity. So what do you want to tell people out there who are not familiar with it, or who are going to start taking advantage and using AI?
I would just caution you to be careful with your use and understand that these types of systems are data processors. They are scanning data and spitting it back out. It's not always accurate, and sometimes you are being fed misinformation or information that's protectable that could lead you to serious consequences.
What are the benefits to AI?
Surely, there's absolutely benefits, and most companies are seeing the benefits in both time and cost efficiency, right? You have a third hand at your disposal who could create and generate content, who can assist in manufacturing, and various roles within a company that is potentially eliminating jobs, but assisting businesses in moving forward with things like production lines and that content generation.
Seems like we've been talking about AI just recently. How big is this going to get? How much will people use AI, you think?
Oh, it's exploding. I think it's everywhere in our daily lives now, and it's just going to continue to grow as more companies and scientists continue to develop the products.
All right, Katie, thanks for your time today. We'll see how it plays out in Washington with these hearings, but we appreciate you talking with us this morning.
Absolutely. Thank you.